How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Man, IKEA furniture is such a pain in the buttocks. Goddamn 6 hours, man. 6 hours. 6 hours, you know, trying to fix, you know, furniture. I was so bored looking at sideways market. How can you be bored as looking at sideways market? It pumped like crazy yesterday. This isn't sideways. By the way, I'm seeing right now that both S&P 500 and Dow Jones is in green. So you know that's good. You see here open, but we already knew that because you know we are watching the futures chart, and you know they open a lot earlier than the markets. So let's see here. By the way, Meta Hero, you know, BitBoy made a video about Meta Hero, so that's why it's pumping like crazy. That's that. There you go. Everything is green beside Asia right now, so there is no, you know, Corona dump right now. That's good. Normal hour. Good afternoon, Martin, Ralph, Patch, Sasho, Damian, new guy. The new guy. We're just gonna call you the new guy. The central plan always first. What's up? What's up? What's up? You know, what's up? That's so old, man. That's so old. $1990. 2000. I think it's 2000, around 2000 maybe. What's up? Yeah, that's so nice. That's so nice.
Hello?
I'm old. Yeah, me too.
Nothing, B. Just watching the game, having a bud. What's up with you? Nothing. Watching the game, having a bud. True. True. What's up? What's up? Yo, who's that? Yo! Yo, pick up the phone! Hello? What's up? What's up? Yo, where's Dookie? Yo, Dookie! Yo. What's up? What's up? Hold on. Hello?
What's up?
So what's up, B? Watching the game, having a bud. True. True.
Yeah, that was a commercial.
Fundamentals of our economy are strong, but these are very, very difficult.
Okay, let's see. I haven't seen this one.
And we've always
I was still bearish.
our best days are ahead.
Well, we need to, you know, pump a little bit more, but you know.
What's up, B?
I'm feeling the buzz.
Lost my home. Looking for a job. What's up with you? Still in Iraq. Watching my ass. True. True. Yo, who's that? Hold on for a second. Yo, pick up the phone.
Yo, forget the phone. I need painkillers. You got money for painkillers?
Just pick up the phone.
Hello?
What's up?
What's up?
Where's Dookie?
It wasn't scary.
Hey, yo,
movie.
Dookie!
Pick up the phone! Duque!
Oh, he's looking at stocks. I think we are losing viewers right now. You know, everybody say how good 2000 was. You know, I don't know, man. I don't know.
So what's up, B? Change. That's what's up.
True.
Change.
Oh, it's a what commercial? I thought it was, you know, Budweiser, but it wasn't. Dow Jones, what happened with Dow Jones in the last 5 minutes, man? Last 5 minutes, not much. It was, you know, it went up here and then it went down. S&P 500 pulling it down a little bit. What? Oh, it's 5 minute chart. Why you dumping on me, man? Why you dumping? What's happening? What's happening in Bitcoin, man? What's happening? Why is everything dumperino right now? Well, what's this? What's this? What's this? This is one hour. Hey, man, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, one you know, daily chart is nice, you know. What's up? Okay, guys, how is everybody doing? By the way, I'm gonna put some music on. Yeah, so what are we gonna look at, guys? What are we looking at? Bitcoin on minus 0.67% right now on the downside. Let's see some nice charts up here. You see the line, guys. You see the line. This is the line. This is the line. So unfortunately, we are not above the line. Once we are above the line, it's gonna be nice. Not above the line. Nice pump. Nice, nice pump, but you know, not quite there. What's up, Sasha? Nice pump, but not quite yet there. Not quite yet there. When Grayscale sell their portfolio, will reaction this? What's up? We gotta get off the what's up trend. We gotta. It will dump. I don't know if it will dump. You know. Credits, you know, to the central plant because you know the divergence. For all the divergence over here. For all the divergence, so you know, I haven't been watching charts lately, you know, so it's nice that somebody is telling me what's happening. You know, we had nice pump up here, divergence up here, so we can, you know, it will be okay if you even drop a little bit down here. I mean, we don't have to. It's just one candle down here, so we can just continue up here. It's unconfirmed divergence, but you know, it's still divergence. Whatever, right? You know, the divergence is on the error side. They are lag indicators, so you know, don't take them seriously until they play it out. And by the time they played out, you know, not much is happening. Okay, let's ask 8-ball. Will we have nice day today? My reply is no. But that can mean a lot of things. That's why I asked. That can mean a lot of things. So you know, Ron is in the chat. Hi Ron, how you doing, man? What's up? So we are holding above the 50 moving average up here really nicely. You know, and no panicking whatsoever. You know, we pumped nicely on the 4 hour above the 50 moving average. Right now, you know, consolidating up here, waiting for these rest of these moving averages to come to the price. Not much happening. Is the music too loud? What? I can barely hear the music. What are you talking about? Oh, okay, I see what you mean. 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 Let me do it like this. What you mean? I see what you mean. Let me do it like this. What about the moon? Maybe 52.6 is coming, then back up. In my honest opinion, 52.6, man. We couldn't get below 53, man. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 4 times. Bam! Right back up. We are barting right now. This is a BART. BARTs usually happen when you have, you know, volatile move to us upside or downside that was unexpected. So you know, this volatile move to the downside create a BART. These volatile moves happen all the time, guys. These volatile moves happen all the time, especially in 2018 when we had, you know, BitMEX. Especially down here. Now it wasn't a BART, but it was some kind of fast recovery, you know. Often price wants to come back to wherever it was before the dumperino. So right now the fact that we actually, you know, came back where we were actually up here. Whoa, look at it, look at it. Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, that's nice. We gotta draw the line down there. We gotta draw the line. Not this line, this line. Oh, nice. Ladies and gentlemen, we found the line today. We found the line. Oh, that's nice. That's sweet. That's like nice. Do you like that? Do you like that? If you like that, hit the like button. If you like the line, hit the like button. Why didn't you press gently on the like button? Thought I did. I forgot. Honest mistake. I want to see the line. I'm eating soon. I will do it soon. There we go. Last help. I was first. Let's help. I was first. I don't get it. So what are we gonna? So I thought, you know, we just gonna do random stream. I don't know why. Wife is not home, so you know, kids are not home. So I got like 1 hour and something like that, give or take. So I thought, you know, let's chill with the crew. And this. So what's with the line? Well, the line is nice. I didn't see the line. I think I did see the line before, but you know, the fact that we are right now. Going back on the line, so we went up there, we are retracing back to the line, so we are still in the triangle, so that's with the line, you know, we are still in the triangle, so it's nice, we like that, especially that we went down here. Right now we are back up here, and if we can get out of this triangle up here, bam, moon, flip, press like the other video comment. I press like first. I always hit the like. So this looks nice. You know what? We're gonna switch the music. We're gonna switch the music to something a little bit more upbeat today. Let's see up here. What does Harris Heller get for us today? We got a chip tune. Yeah, probably nice. Okay, that's with the line then. Yeah, that's with the line. So the line is nice. We like the line. I didn't see the line, but the line is definitely, you know, legit. We like the line, and as long as the line is there, it is nice line. We like the line. So this triangle is definitely got something to it, you know. Maybe they should go to something like this up here, right? So we like the line. We like the line, right? We like the line. The line is nice. The line is nice. V-chain, please. Is it rising wedge? It's not rising wedge. It should be symmetrical triangle. So you know the line should go something like something down here like this. I don't know. This is downtrend line, and then there should be definitely some other line up here, something like this. I think it's something like, because this is just downtrend, and this seems. This seems, you know, oftentimes this seems to be a symmetrical triangle. So this is actually technically this is technically the triangle, but the other one, let's change the color so we can. It's just easy to talk about it. The green line is downtrend line, and the yellow is the triangle. Is there any hope left for ADA to pump this cycle? -0, no, that's not that. -2. Wow, -2.25. But it did pump yesterday. Now there's definitely right now ADA is having the pullback to the moving averages. So if this is any kind of bottom right now, this is it, guys. This is it. You know, this is the bottom for ADA. Now if it breaks, you know, below the moving averages again, you know, that's gonna be bad, of course. But right now, you know, after this pump, this is the pullback. This is the pullback. This is the bottom. You know, so you know, buy supports, and support is right over here. So you know, if you ever gonna buy ADA, not financial advice, you know, this is the place to buy right now. because if it and of course if it breaks on downside, you know, you don't want to, you're not gonna like that. And if it breaks, you know, even down here, you know, that's gonna be even worse. So, you know, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. But this pullback up here, this is the best you can hope for after this pump up here. How much was the pump yesterday for Cardano? 7.6%. This is not actually yesterday, this is daily. Yesterday we went from the bottom to the top something like 12%, you know. So, you know, did do a nice pump. Ada pumped nearly 900 this year. Yeah, that is what Ada did. When you don't do some coins, people ask and don't give the like. I cannot do all the coins. A lot of people ask about all of the coins. I cannot do all of the coins. So I pick, you know, coins. But if that's the criteria for getting the likes, then you know, keep the like, man. But Cardano definitely right now look at some kind of bottom support. Now there is a very important line for Cardano up here, because this looks like a downtrend. Like you can see it is some kind of a, you know, even you know Speedy Gonzalez downtrend down here, and there should be some line up here. Let me try to find the line. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So the green line is downtrend line. You gotta get above the line. You can see right now that it is holding above the 10 and 20 moving average, and 10 and 20 moving average has been resistance for a while right now. Over here we managed to get above it, but not above the line. You can see 10 and 20 moving, but right now we are above 10 and 20 moving average. As long as we hold above 10 and 20 moving average on Cardano up here, break the green line, that's gonna be it, guys. That's gonna be. So you just saw that both Bitcoin right now has the green line. Bitcoin has this green line, that's the downtrend line, and Cardano also has the line. That's the downtrend line. There's probably some kind of pattern down here that's forming up here. I don't know what kind of pattern it is, but this might be some kind of, definitely some kind of double bottom pattern up here, because it did break this level up here. Over here it did break that, you know, so it might be some kind of double. This also might be some kind of double bottom down here on small time frame. Yeah, like, yeah, sure, why not? Small 1 hourly double bottom. Let's see what's happening down here. It's getting below the 20 moving average. Not much, not much. LTA, late the adopter, is just one, and a lot of us viewers watch every day. You'll get the chance for review coins. Yeah. That's it. Also, TA fan club members do get, you know, go ahead in the queue. So, you know, yeah. So if Ada is ever gonna pump, this is gonna be the time for Ada to pump right now. It definitely has a chance to pump. So right now it is some kind of bottom, right? And my dog is yelling. My dog is barking, but it's not barking that. Okay, I gotta go check this out. Nah, nothing. If the dog is barking like crazy, then somebody's outside the door. But if he's just barking a little bit, then he probably just heard something outside, you know, a cat, a mouse, I don't know. So Cardano, even though it's down -2%, you know, it's sitting on some kind of support. Zilliqa did 8%, so you know, Zilliqa is one on our, you know, tracking like a hawk list. So let's check the Zilliqa right now. It is in this, you know, on this bottom down here. A lot of stuff is on the bottom, and we said if Bitcoin breaks the goddamn 53,000 on the downside, guys, every goddamn altcoin is gonna explode. Look at MetaHero. Yeah, we looked at MetaHero earlier today, and not earlier today, earlier in the stream, at the very start of the stream. I know BitBoy did talk about MetaHero. Where is MetaHero? Somewhere up here. Not this one. Not this one. This is Floki. I don't know. Here's MetaHero. So yeah, it is pumping because you know, the BitBoy made a video about MetaHero, and I knew ahead of time because we have a TFN club member called Captain. Captain told me BitBoy is gonna make a video about MetaHero, and he actually did, and it exploded. So you know, dump me not buying, you know, MetaHero before he actually, you know, talked about it. Your dog is saying what's up. So MetaHero does look nice, you know, right now. What do you think of Rune, sir? Let's check Rune. Rune is all the way down somewhere on my list. I don't know where it is. Man, okay, let's you know, get 100 coins on the list, man. Futures all room. So we have been following the rune. Rune is out of the triangle, guys. Rune is out of the triangle. You can see the triangle. The triangle goes something like this up here and up here. This is the big triangle. So Rune got out of the triangle, went down to support of triangle. Right now it's second support of triangle. If this isn't the bottom, it's gonna, you know, blast backside inside the triangle. So it is sitting as some kind of support down here. This on the daily time frame, 100 moving average up here. It is below the, you know, very important 10, 20, 50 moving average down here. So it's looking for this this blue line. This blue line is right now giving it support. So it is some kind of support right now, because if it breaks that on the downside, it still got this 200 moving average down here, but it's back inside the triangle. Some kind of triangle. It's back inside the triangle, so you don't want to do that. So definitely it is out of the big triangle. That's a very good thing. You can see here, as soon as it got out of the triangle, it just pumped towards the upside to 16.5, some kind of resistance up here that we got also resistance 90.4, something like that. But you know, it pumped up there, then it went back back because Bitcoin, I don't know why it went back. It's not that strong, but it's strong enough to, you know, keep above the line, so that's good. So it is some kind of support on the downside. You know, it needs a small push towards the upside, and this 100 moving average right now, it's giving it support. Don't wanna break this on the downside, 10.3 or something like that. Michael Altcoin is in the chat supporting the channel. Michael, how you doing, boy? I'm up under 30 on a hero. Yeah. A lot of people are up on a hero. Like, it's gonna be real hard to not be up on a hero because it's an all-time high. Anytime something is at all-time high, everybody's up. But 130% is nice. It's very nice. Congrats, man. Can you check ETC? If you can, thank you. Yeah, let's check ETC, because Ethereum Classic is one of these coins that, you know, a previous bull run, or first part of bull run, it went parabolic, then it died. So, you know, there is a lot of bag holders on Ethereum Classic, and I just need to find on my charts. Let's see here. It's not in this part here. It's not in consolidation part. It's inside triangle somewhere up here. Let me see. Where is it? Should be. There is it. 0.07% in red right now. Now here's the problem down here, because it's falling out of this triangle. So you just saw Rune, right? And Rune is out of the triangle on the upside. Now Ethereum Classic is bleeding on the downside down here. But let's see big levels up here, and you'll see the same thing that a lot of other coins are also. This is why I'm still a little bit you know, fearful when it comes to maybe it's this line up here. Yeah, maybe, because I was using this, but might be this up here. So technically we might be sitting on some kind of line up here, right? Technically speaking, right? It's not this one. Give or take. Let's make this yellow as well, so it's nice. So let's go to the daily time frame and see what's happening up here. Let's remove moving averages, because the chart is so noisy. It's really hard to see what's happening. This up here, this is the downtrend line. This is you know, the downtrend line. There are pattern lines, and then there are downtrend you know, trend lines. Pattern lines usually are also trends, but they are usually some kind of consolidation patterns. The green line is the line that we have to break. I don't know why I have this one up here. Yeah, this one is also nice. Tap. So we're keeping this as well. Maybe it's the big one. Yeah, let's use the big one. Let's use this one as yellow line. So the yellow triangle right now, it's yellow triangle. You can see here it is at the bottom of the triangle. So if Bitcoin dumps, you know, that's why I've been a little bit, you know, I think everybody, not just me, I think everybody has been a little bit, you know, shaky lately because of altcoin, Bitcoin, you know, fearing that Bitcoin is gonna, you know, drop down. Because if Bitcoin drop down, what you gonna think is gonna happen with alts, guys? They're literally gonna die, like literally gonna die. They're literally gonna die. But right now over here it is you know, holding some kind of support. You know, it doesn't have that much pump towards the upside. Unfortunately, it doesn't have that much pump towards the upside. Let's see. It might be breaking the over here. Because this is Maybe something like this. Maybe just got out of this downtrend on the small time frames. Maybe. I mean, it's not. We are not using actually the lines that we should be using. But we should definitely use this top up here, and then maybe this some kind of bottom down there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 times back below it, above it. Maybe we have broken this slow downtrend. Downtrend doesn't matter. Here's the jinx of it, right? You're still in the big triangle. You're at the bottom of triangle. Do not fall below the triangle because that's gonna be bad. And let's see the moving averages here on the daily. This 4 hour. Let's go to the daily time frame. See, we are below all of the moving averages on the daily time frame. You can see all the moving averages, right? Right above us, and right now it's pushing us down. We are not even above the 10 moving average up here on the daily time frame. So it is being pushed on the downside. Let's see if we can see anything. Can we get anything out? The volume is not very helpful. The RSI is not very helpful. The MACD is showing that you can see that we have been going a little bit towards the downside, while the MACD momentum has been going towards the upside, which is actually quite nice. It might indicate that we are getting into some kind of bottoms down here where we should explode towards the upside. But that's kind of hope. There is definitely no telltale signs right now about which direction this should actually go to. It's just so and so. But yeah, we'll keep on watching the. And by the way, fear, guys, up 38%. I told people in the chat that fear might, go parabolic, and right now fear is going parabolic. So here's the thing for you guys. We've been watching fear for a while right now. Fear broke up out of this up here, and right now it's going parabolic. So guys, for you that you are on Qcoin and stuff like that, looking at fear. By the way, guys, fear is going parabolic right now. Up is 14% right now. I think I found 100x DLA. Christian Cooks, I would like to hear about your 100x. And you can see here also the volume goes up, the price goes up. It's outside of this rising wedge to the upside. It had a pullback right now. It's definitely going parabolic right now. Love this squeeze. Christian Cooks, if you can hear your 100x, I'm willing to hear that. But right now, I think Qcoin looks a lot better than anything else. Chadwick Dunn, hey man, how you doing? It's called thanks, play to earn game, staking, etc. Okay, thanks. Thanks, thanks, Captain. It's not over here. It's not up here. It's not up here. So we gotta do the thanks. It's thanks or thanks? Thanks. Maybe it's this one up here. Doxed team. Okay, so this went parabolic a little bit up here right now. This is the last 2 days. 100%. Is it done? I don't know. It's on BSC, so it's cheap to get. Captain, my captain, you were right. BitBoy did make a Meta Hero video, and right now Meta Hero is pumping, so your $70 are soon gonna be maybe $7 million. It is definitely pumping above all of the resistance up here. It looks very nice. It looks very good. So congratulations, Captain. Captain, nice call on the Meta Hero. Nice call on the Meta Hero. I dragged my feet and missed the dip on some other coins I was eyeing. Got some XRP though. Right, yeah, Captain is right. We gotta listen to Captain a little bit more often. Captain knows where to find the really nice coins. Do you think PDEX is a good buy now? Planning to stake it. We were looking at PDEX. I'm gonna check out PDEX because I'm interested in what's happening. PDEX refresh. I mean, I literally just loaded the page like 3 seconds ago, man. I tell I can please check Tezos. No, it's boring. Tezos is boring, man. Tezos is boring. Morning, my friend. Please analyze a BMONS. It's a microcap metaverse play to earn coin. All these metaverse coins, women are always right. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know if that's because of gut feeling or what happened here. What happened here? So 0.03, that is 0.15. It just started, so thanks. Let's check out thanks. CoinCap. CoinCap. Oh. Oh, there's it. Let's check out. Thanks for playing. Well, that's a nice name. Oh, let's see here. It, you know, the bottom is down here, you know, so it's only did 100% up, you know, but will this be 100x? I don't know, man. Market cap is pretty low, only 5 million, so, you know, it's still high even for 5 million. Like, it should be like 144,000, you know, that's 100x. 5 million is not 100x. 5 million is maybe 10x. A good 10x maybe, if it plays out. Woman Intuition, yeah, thanks. Pancake Swap, Uniswap. You know, nobody's gonna buy this one, everybody's gonna buy this one. Quick Swap on Polygon. Oh, it's nice they have Polygon as well. Wow. All of these games, guys, the games are a big thing right now. Yeah, PDEX, let's go back to PDEX and see how PDEX is playing out. Let's go back to PDEX and see how PDEX is playing out. Did do a nice part. There's a lot of backholders on Ethereum Classic. They're literally gonna die. Like, literally gonna die. They're literally gonna die. But yeah, I was just checking music. I was just checking sound, the music sound. All games look like doo-doo. Yeah, that's exactly right. Smoothie, that's exactly right. All games does look like doo-doo. All games are totally crap. But you know, that's how this stuff starts. That's how stuff starts. We don't really actually care that games are, you know, AAA, Battlefield or whatever they call games, you know. But games are games, you know, whatever. You know, the playability is a lot more important than how it looks. But you know, doo-doo games, yeah, definitely. Let's check PDEX. A long time since we checked PDEX. Actually, a long time. Let's see PDEX up here somewhere. I got it somewhere up here. That is it. Minus 6% today. Oh, this is bad. Oh man, this is crap. I don't know why it's dumping, but this is not good, guys. This is not good. Oh my god. You know, when everything is going towards the upside, you would expect, you know, this crap to go up to the upside as well. 15.25 was, you know, support line that we do not want to break. It is breaking 15.25 as well right now to downside. It looks like crap, man. It looks like crap. The only good thing is that, you know, this downtrend up here is very fast downtrend and the volume is going down as well. So it should have a bounce eventually. When? I don't know, man. I don't know. But it looks like crap. It looks like crap. They look like swap meet controller with 1000 games inside. Yeah! Immutable X is looking good. Let's check Immutable X. I don't think, you know, this is this should, I don't think this should be you know, metaverse, you know, live stream, but you know, whatever. Immutable X. Oh, that's a big market cap, man. That's a big market cap. Captain, I thought you liked small coins, and it's literally not doing it. It went from like low 3 to up to 8, so it went up 100%. 100%, you know, in a month's time, like that's better than Bitcoin at least. You know, Immutable X. Experience zero gas fees, instant trades, and carbon neutral NFT marketplace games and application without compromise. Build your NFT business in hours with our API. Zero gas fees, instant trades, and carbon neutral NFTs. So this means it's centralized because it has to be some kind of staking pool to this, right? Start building, or start building vault. What am I gonna start building? Contact. I don't want to contact anybody. Yeah, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I don't know what it is. I like good coins. Oh, okay, good coins. Not just small coins, good coins. Blocktopia, yeah, Blocktopia also some people admit to. But let's focus on these a little bit bigger coins right now, because you know that's what people want to know. You know, XRP, ADA. Yeah, let's see what's happening with XRP, by the way, guys. Long times. Oh, that's bad, man. So there was this triangle up here that broke on the downside. You can see here. It's still, you know, trying to get above the 200 moving average up here. It's very hard on doing even that. Let's see on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame went below 10 and 20 moving average all the way down to the 50. See here, the yellow line, 50 moving average. But we are below 10 and 20 moving, so XRP does not look good, man. It doesn't look good. Maybe there is something that I'm missing up here. Let's see on the 4-hour up here. Nice volume up here on this pump, so that's good. See, these are old lines, so we can remove these. You know, there was some kind of triangle up here. You know, that's how long time ago we did this. See, the XRP also has this downtrend line, the green line. And you can see here we are not out of the dump yet. So as long as this continues going on, doesn't matter, you know, how much pump you get towards the upside. As long as this continues going on, we are not out of the dump. So this downtrend line needs to be broken. Once this downtrend line is gonna be broken, we're gonna go to the moon. But right now, it's still not quite there yet. Now Bitcoin is not there yet as well, but you know, it looks at least a little bit better than this. Maybe this is some kind of falling wedge. Am I missing a falling wedge up here somewhere? Nah. Let's try find some kind of hopium for you guys. There you go. It's a falling wedge. We're back inside the falling wedge, guys. Okay, that's a hopium. Right now, this is the hopium. Okay, guys, I wouldn't mind collecting more XRP cheaper. I don't think you're gonna get XRP cheaper. I mean, if it falls out of this falling wedge and downside again, you will get it cheaper. But right now, just like Cardano, right now, it might be sitting on some kind of support down here where it just wants to blast through to the upside. I wonder if Rockstar Games is partnering with anyone. Yeah, man, good call, good call. If you figure it out, give us a call. I hit the like button. Damn nice, damn nice. If BTC goes to 55, 56, XRP will go to 0.85. I don't know, man, but you know, there's definitely some kind of hope up here on this falling wedge. You know, so we are at some kind of bottom down here and gonna explode towards the upside. If this goes again on the downside, it's gonna be bad, of course. So you don't want to do that. But you know, upside is the way I see it right now, upside is a little bit more likely than downside. Is Aave dying? Oh, that's a nice call. Let's check it out. Let's check out is Aave is dying. Sorry about that. I should probably do it like this. Anyway, first I have to find where AV, where is AV? AV. There is AV, minus 0.54%. Long time since I did this chart up here. So let's remove the blue lines. Yeah, this does not look good though. This does not look good. But like everything else, you know, there is definitely some kind of downtrend down here. You can see the downtrend. It's pretty obvious downtrend. But the question is, did we get back above the line? Oh, that's nice, that's nice. So maybe, just like XRP right now has this falling wedge right now, we are back inside the falling wedge above 10 and 20. Guys, I'm telling you, everything right now is sitting at above this 10 and 20 moving average up here and is getting ready to blast. Getting ready to blast the moon, not just AV, but everything. Even though we are, did the move below the line. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see if we can draw the better lines. No, these are good lines. I mean, the lines are okay. The lines are okay. We went below 10 and 20 moving average right now, still bleeding towards downside. If this doesn't, blast if this isn't some, some kind of spring effect right now towards the moon, I don't know what is. But everything right now, it looks like it's, this falling wedge is, perfectly fine, normal, just like XRP, nice falling wedge, sitting down on the support. If this doesn't blast towards the upside, guys, it's gonna be very, very bloody and bad. Demos, the bus driver. You should change your name to bus driver, man. Bus driver. The late, you should call yourself the late bus driver. That'd be nice. The late bus driver. Dollar cost averaging into 7 months will good gains after 5 to 10 gains. Thank you, man. Finally somebody is going and saying, hey man, I'm dollar cost averaging into something and you give me gains after 10 days. You know, most people are like, I'm dollar cost averaging and it's gonna give me gains after 10 years. Like, who cares after 10 years, man? Who cares what's gonna happen after 10 years, right? 10 days, that's what we wanna know. That's what we wanna know. That's what we wanna know. So 10 days is what we wanna know, guys. 10 days. Joe, let's check out Joe. Market cap 379 million. It's okay, it's not a billion, you know. Let's see all chart. Bottom 1 2, top 4 2, right now at 2.8, so only 2x. 1 month, no, 2 months, 3 months, 3 months doing nothing. Hey man, this thing isn't doing not 3 months, not doing much, man, not doing much. KSM is looking strangely good. One-stop shop decentralized trading on Avalanche. Decentralized trading, so DEX. Nah, I'm not into DEXs, man. DEXs are bad. It's on DEX on Avalanche. No. KSM looks good. By the way, let's check Hex. I don't know if guys, guys, I'm gonna give you a pro tip, okay? Watch. Michael Icon is back in the chat and is shilling the Patreon link. Thanks, Michael. Thanks, Michael. I appreciate it. Michael Calzone. Michael Calzone. Guys, I'm gonna give you a pro tip, okay? So we, guys on YouTube, and it'll go to 20 at least. So 4x. No, that's 10x. Nice, maybe. Guys, I'm gonna give you pro tip. So, you know, YouTubers, and we like to look at something called the logarithmic chart. This is a logarithmic chart, and on a logarithmic chart, it's very hard to see when you get to some kind of tops. Now, if we do technical analysis, we can spot these tops up here. We spot the parabolic moves, but when you're looking at a logarithmic chart, you cannot spot parabolic moves that easy. So what you do, you turn off. Let's just remove everything for a second up here. You turn off the logarithmic chart. And what you're gonna get that is the regular chart that everybody is watching, and then you get something like this, right? And when you're looking at this, it's really easy to see that this went parabolic, right? This went parabolic. It's really easy to see, but on a logarithmic chart, it's not that easy to see the parabolic move, right? It's not very easy to see parabolic move on a logarithmic chart, but if you turn off the logarithmic chart, you will see the parabolic move. So this hex went parabolic up here. Up here, this is the what are you gonna call it? The distribution part over here, and then it went down, right? It went down. So right now, Hex is looking for some kind of bottom, but you know, the pro tip here is sometimes you have to turn off the logarithmic chart to see the parabolic moves. Okay, guys, that's the pro tip for today. Hex is dead. No, it's far from dead. It's just going into consolidation, just like Bitcoin 2017. Like people, 2018, people are saying, Bitcoin is dead. It's not dead. It's consolidation. It's gonna pump. It's gonna pump like crazy. Trust me on this one. Don't trust me, not financial advice, but whatever. Blow off top, yeah, definitely. So, but what I wanna say is that watching the logarithmic chart, it's really hard to find out. It's really hard to to see the moves. It's really hard to see the parabolic moves. So sometimes it does pay off to turn off the logarithmic chart and look at a regular chart when you're looking at something is going parabolic. For example, right now fear is going parabolic. Now people don't see fear going parabolic because this is logarithmic chart, so it's only a few candles. But if you turn this is logarithmic, this is non-logarithmic off. Okay, even over here, but you can see that these candles are getting like really big right now, right? Going straight towards the high. So fear right now is going definitely parabolic right now. 100% is going parabolic. It's gonna have a blow off top. I don't think it's going to blow off top right now over here. But it's, yeah, there is no divergence yet. I mean, maybe slight, nah. I don't think this is a blow off top yet, but it's definitely going to some kind of parabolic move right now. And it's gonna have parabolic top, at one point. And we're gonna know, because that's what we do. We find parabolic tops, we say this is done, this is not done, and stuff like that. So we're gonna keep on watching the fear. Did I miss Cardano? Yes, you did. Just you know, just go a little bit back. But you know, just to quick recap, it might be at the bottom. It might be the bottom for Cardano. So that's good, right? That's good. My baby seller has been range bound for a while. Seller, I have it on chart over here somewhere, I think. No, I have Celsius. I've seen people talking about seller. I don't know why. Yeah, it hasn't been performing. That's for sure. Big. You know, let's see. Yeah, it went small parabola here, big parabola over here. Right now, going consolidating on the 20 moving average down here. Let's see here. It's not that optimistic right now. It has a downtrend. I'm gonna show you the downtrend. You know, so as soon as it breaks that, it might look good. It should be somewhere around here. Let's see this one and yeah, give or take. Yeah, this is downtrend. The green line. It needs to get above the green line if you want it to pump. Okay, so even if it pumps towards the upside up here, it needs to, like over here, to try to go towards the upside, but straight back down again, right? It needs to get above the green line to pump, and as long as it's not above the green line, it's just you know, downtrend. And you know what this reminds me of? I mean, it reminds me of a lot of altcoins, but Shiba. Shiba has this blue line. Let's change the green line because today is the obviously green line day. So you can see Shiba right now. It's going, you're trying to break this, you know, the downtrend line by going sideways. So you know that's a thing as well. So I think Shiba might be at the bottom, guys. I think Shiba might be at the bottom up here because you can see here it's no longer, you know, going down. It's just keeping these levels up here at 0.030 something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days up here. You know, this is still, you know, 1, 2, 3 touches down here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. It looks like I mean this was the, you know, the first bottom was over here, right? This was first bottom, then broke that. This was the second bottom down here, right? Then it broke that. Let's just remove a little bit of these lines first. So the first, you know, when it went parabolic up here, it went down. Then it came to a new triangle up here, it went down. Now the third triangle up here, it went down. Now we have this fourth triangle, very small triangle. So I think it might be at some kind of bottom right now. Shiba Inu might be some kind of bottom, and I'm gonna say it right now. I think Shiba Inu can do another 10x. This was 10x. I think it can do another 10x. What's that? That's right up here. This is 400%. 900%, something like this, around 40 or something like that. I think Shiba Inu can do that. I really think so, and I don't think Shiba Inu is done just yet. Seller, the team just works. Maybe it works, but it went parabolic. Anything that, guys, here's a pro tip again. Anything that goes parabolic, doesn't matter what kind of good team it has. Anything that goes parabolic will need to go into consolidation, into a sell-off, into a distribution phase. It's just the way how markets work. It doesn't go up forever. It goes parabolic. It has a sell-off. You know, doesn't matter what kind of good team is. It doesn't matter if it's called Bitcoin or Cardano or XRP or Shiba Inu. Doesn't matter what kind of project, what kind of good project or super project it is. If it goes parabolic, it will have a bleed. You know. My realm is doing even better today. Captain, can I ask you how many coins do you have? What's up, TLI tribe? What's up, Salim? Where's the wife? Where's Selena? My Polk is doing amazing. Polk, realm. You got a Polk, realm, meta hero, Joe. I've seen a couple of charts that look like Shiba and Seller. I think DGB has been doing the similar, but I can't remember. Might be doing that. Doesn't Cardano have some sec FUD going on? Yeah, it's FUD. Project's a project. They need to kill like entire 50% this game. Wow, that's a lot of coins. That's a lot of coins. Can I also ask, do you have like 70 bucks in each and every one of those? I mean, 70 times 23 is like, yeah, that's decent money. I mean, 70 times 23, yeah, that's 1,600. That's decent amount of bucks in the 23 coins. I put a lot of money into RSR. Yeah, RSR is like up 20% right now or something like that. I just saw it. I didn't check it, but I just saw the number. It's up to, yeah, 20% up. Wow, look at that. RSR breaking the up to the upside. This actually looks fantastic. Now what's gonna happen here with RSR up here, because it is breaking the trend, if it closes above this line, hey man, Hoofy 00, hey man, listen up. If it closes above this line, most likely scenario up here, it's not continuation towards the upside, it's consolidation down here, it's pullback consolidation or something up here. At least the way I see it. I mean, it can't continue pumping through, but you see the moving average is all the way down here, and we are all the way up here. So most likely is some kind of consolidation to let these moving averages come to the price. And then, so if it can manage to consolidate above the line, if it can manage to consolidate above the line up here, as soon as these moving averages come, it will kick it towards the upside. On the other hand, if it fails to consolidate and goes back inside the triangle, you know, then you know, it can continue sideways for a month. It does look very nice, you know. RSI definitely breaking out towards the upside. Super good, good coin. Super good, super nice. I mean, you just saw like some coins. They are failing to, you know, they are failing to get back inside the triangle, but other coins are breaking to the upside. You know, these coins are bullish coins. These are the coins that you want. You know, you want bullish coins. You do not want to hodl coins that are bleeding. Please, Dodge Daddy. No, Dodge Daddy. I'm not gonna jinx this one. You know, I'm not gonna jinx this one. See a lot of people talk about sniping Meta VPad when it comes out. I'm not quite sure what Meta VPad, you know, but Star Atlas, CGG, UFO, Mbox. I like NFT coins. Huge potential, I hope. Very early. Might be that. Everything fire must simmer down. Yeah. So definitely, I like it can definitely continue towards the upside, but you know, look where you're up here, and you know the moving averages are down there. You know. And you know, anything that goes towards the upside, like you know, even this, you know, it goes towards the upside, but you know, you see the moving averages have to, you know, come to the price and then, you know, push it towards the upside. So you know, once this is what we call overextension. Right now it's overextended on the daily time frame, so it needs some kind of constellation. Whether that constellation is gonna be like 2 days or, you know, 2 hours or 2 weeks, I don't know. Seeker new video is out. Yeah, he pushes out a lot of videos right now. Luna ripping again, KSM will follow. Yeah, we were about to talk about KSM. I just got distracted. Let me see KSM. Nah, it's in the triangle. This is a lot easier to do than look on coins. Yeah, I gotta find Luna on my chart, because Luna was about to go parabolic, then it went down. Right now it's back inside the triangle. Let's see Luna. Where is Luna? Luna. There is Luna, minus 0.25. Now this is some kind of hoping, but we are watching. I'm gonna show you the triangle. See, this is what we have been watching on Luna. We have been watching this rising wedge up here. So it went out of the rising wedge, which is quite bad, you know, and this move to upside, it's not very optimistic right now. It needs to get inside the wedge up here at least. And if Luna can manage to break this line up here, if Luna can, that's around 60 bucks right now. If Luna can manage to break 60 bucks or something like that, it's gonna go parabolic. Anything that breaks these uptrend lines, it starts just going parabolic, right? You know, so this uptrend line is you know, cut-off point between you know, sideways move and parabolic move, but right now it's below the wedge. ZIL is not almost breaking. 4,500 original investment, 8,004 current, 50% in top 20 tokens since June-July investment. Captain, you're doing well. Slow and steady wins the race. I like that. And you are diversifying, which I do not like, but you know, each to his own. As long as you're making money, that's the only thing that matters, right? You do what you feel is you know, right for you. You figure out. Do not go, you know, after hype after hype. You find where your strength lies. If your strength is finding, you know, gems, smoke out coins, putting cheeky bits in, like CK would say, you know, that's your thing. You know, don't go trading, don't go somewhere else. And for everybody else, You find your thing. Doesn't matter if that's trading, long-term investment, 10 years, 5 years, 2 days, I don't care. You find your thing where you can succeed. You find your thing where you feel relaxed, confident, and you are actually getting the results that you like. That's the most important thing. I like Captain. Captain is doing her own thing, you know. Going against the stream. Nice. ETH is up 1% today. ETH is trying. ETH is definitely trying. Yeah, I see here it's back above this this line. So ETH, we drew this line on ETH a while ago, and you can see here right now it's back above the line. It's super bullish. I bought 80 Qcoin because of you. Ooh, how's Qcoin doing right now, man? Are you up or down? Because it was going a little bit down, a little bit up, but you know, I still believe in Qcoin big time. Where is Qcoin? 5% up right now. Okay, let's do this since you bought it because of me. Okay, so here's the problem with Qcoin right now. I think it's let's turn off this log now. Yeah, let's look at the log. It went kind of hard up, and right now over here, I thought it might, because of, you know, the movement towards downside, the momentum going down. Let's see the volume. Volume should also be going down up here. You know, volume has been going up here, and then right now we're in consolidation phase. While it's going a little bit sideways towards the upside, volume is going down. So I was actually thinking that it might actually go down to some kind of 50 moving average or something like that down here before it continues towards the upside. But it looks good. It is above a 10-20 moving average back again. You can see here it went up, down, big time down here. It tried to go up and a big time down here. Right now, you know, solid up here. Let's see the line. Is it above the line? No, it's just below the line. So it is definitely having some kind of triangle up here. I'm going to show you a triangle up here. I think this is a triangle, give or take. Maybe it's not actually. So let me see this. No, it should be like this. Maybe something like this, give or take. Give or take, yeah. This seems more correct. Doesn't matter. This is the triangle, man. This triangle, okay. If it breaks out of the triangle to upside, it can manage to stay up here. It's gonna, you know, it's gonna pump. On the other hand, if it goes down, it's not gonna go down to zero. It's gonna consolidate. It's gonna go down to find some kind of bottom, consolidate, and then I'm gonna try again. But right now, it might be just some kind of uptrend pennant where it consolidates and continues towards the upside. But I like Qcoin, man. I like Qcoin. Funniest man here, Hoofy. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Hello, did you check MetaHero? Yes, we did check MetaHero. We know Bitboy made a video about MetaHero. We know it's pumping all-time high. Everybody is up. Sandbox game page is over and I can't even see or download the alpha version. I don't know. CSPR, please, for the love of God. What is CSPR? CSPR, Casper, no, Casper, Huobi, ooh, it's going parabolic, man, it's going parabolic, ooh. So we had, you can see here that we have been watching CSPR before. You know, there was this downtrend up here. It broke the it broke the triangle, had a pullback down here, and right now it's going parabolic towards the upside. How long is parabolic going to take? I do not know, but it's definitely going parabolic. I'm gonna add in my list CS. Nah, it's not. It's on Hobby. Like, who cares? Let's see up here. Yeah, it's going parabolic right now. So is it hitting some kind of top right now? Only 71 on the daily. Let's see the weekly. I think it has more room to go. I think it just started, but you know, it has more room to go. It is going parabolic right now. It is going definitely. I don't know if it's definitely going parabolic, but it's going up. But you can see the moves. You know, it's going straight to the moon. Let's see the volume. Volume is actually going down ever since down here. So this is not actually a good thing. It's going towards the upside, but the volume is going down. Let's see here if it's Yeah, there is divergence over here. There is no divergence. You know, it had some kind of pullback. It's continuing going towards the upside. Momentum is going towards the upside. It can still continue. It can continue going to upside. I'm not gonna do, you know, a deep analysis. You know, figure out when it's gonna drop and stuff like that. But you know, it does look nice. It does look nice, definitely. Get it at Sendix, maybe. Shiba pumping, I think. We just said Shiba might be at the bottom, and right now Shiba is pumping. Yeah, it is maybe at some kind of bottom down here right now. You can see here. Let's see the lines. Let's see the lines. Let's see Shiba lines up here. Yeah, it's very close to. This is the first level it has to break. This up here. You can see here. If it breaks up here, it just might go. It just might go, because we said like it might be on some kind of bottom down here where it just goes blessed. You know what? I'm gonna buy Shiba. I'm gonna buy Shiba right now. I'm buying Shiba right now. But I need to log in. Okay, I need to get my phone because, you know, it's asking me to, you know, sign in. Oh no, TLA is buying. Yeah, I'm probably gonna dump it. $100 a Shiba for me is enough for gambling. Shiba is not gambling, man. It's so big, so big. He buying Shiba right now. Yeah, why not? It's at the bottom. It's above the 10 moving averages. 1, 2, 3 bottoms above moving averages. If he gets out of the triangle, it's good. It's on the resistance right now, but it's getting support by the moving average. So if it falls down here, it goes below 0.36, I'm out again. Okay, let's go. I still have iPhone 10. This is iPhone 10. I have the newest iPhone. I bought newest iPhone 13, whatever it's called, for like a month ago, and I still not using it because, you know, I have to change all of the I have to change all of the you know, passwords and stuff like that, log in into everything, and I cannot be asked to do that. So I'm not. I just like stuff that works, you know, and this one works. And also, you know, I bought the big iPhone, and the big iPhone is, you know, you cannot hold in your hand. It's so big you need to use 2 hands. Okay, let's see. Where is Shiba? Market trade advanced. Okay, let's see. How much are we gonna? 100% of the count, 50%. I need to buy Floki as well, so, you know, I need to leave the money. You know, I need to leave money for Floki. Okay, let's go to Shiba. Shiba right now. Okay, there is Shiba, Pamparino. Let's see on the smaller time frames. This is 4 hourly, 1 hourly. Yeah, it's nice. It's hitting the resistance, but if it breaks, I'm gonna wait for a breakout. Nah, we're gonna buy it before the breakout. We're gonna buy it when people are actually, you know, 100%, 75%. Let's see here. 75% of the market. 100%, 75%. Can I just press buy? Or am I gonna clear the order book? How much? Wow, that's 13.75. It's fine. Market buy. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Market bought Shiba, and the price did not move. This on Qcoin, Binance. I need to see it. I need to see it. Okay, doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. There we go. I'm into Shiba. Later, please make the ADA army happy and say something about ADA. I did say something about ADA, and ADA army is happy because we are at some kind of bottom when it comes to ADA. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds for what? It might have a pullback because the 5-minute chart is extended, so it might pull back to some kind of 39. It doesn't matter. Gonna hold it. But if it goes back below something down here, how much is that? This is pretty big drop. Yeah, 10% drop. If it goes down there, I'm out. But you know, it looks nice. It might be some kind of bottom. Everything looks bullish. So you know, why not? Next message sec coming after SHIB. Yeah, that's the next FUD. I have to drive, can't read anymore. This must change the name. Change the name to the late bus driver. That's gonna be so epic, man. The late bus driver. Okay, man, have a nice day. Bye-bye. I just got a new iPhone and was already logged into everything after setup. Just make sure your password is saved onto the cloud chain. Yeah, that's also that, but you know, I think I am logged onto stuff, but you know, the apps are not logged into stuff. I don't know why, but you know, you gotta log into all of the apps. Like it just puts me off, and I don't like. I'm really reconsidering, you know, selling the big iPhone and buying the smaller one as well, because you cannot hold it in your hand. You cannot, you know, when you're lying there in bed, you know, and trying to, you know, you cannot use it. Can you check AVE chart? Yeah, we did. You just have to go back in time. By the way, guys, if somebody wants to do that, find all the timestamps for all the coins on this live stream, put it down in the comments, and I will put it in the description, and I will I'll pin your comment as well. I also switched to iPhone 13 mini, and indeed the logging in was annoying. Yeah, they gotta fix that. I mean, I really like that, you know, all the apps, you know, get all transferred immediately and stuff like that, but the logging in on everything, like, oh man. OnePlus, man. How's FTM doing? Yeah, how's FTM doing right now? Long time since I checked the FTM. Let's go up here. It's still in a downtrend. Doesn't look that good though. Doesn't look that good. It's still below 20 moving average down here. Let's clear up the lines because I cannot see anything up here. So we got a big trend, right? This big trend needs to be broken eventually. Right now, it is having some kind of support down here. It is trying, but you know, it's kind of weak right now. I would say it's weak. It's below 10 and 20 moving average. It's weak. A little bit weak. Sheepish charging. Ooh, 2%. I'm already up. My sister works for corporate Apple, so she walked me through how to make sure everything transfers without having to relog it. Yeah, tell your sister to give me a call. On the other hand, don't do that. My wife might get mad. Gala looks like gonna pump soon. What do you think? It's you know, Gala is minus 3%, but Gala, he hit some kind of top up here. I think we even called the top on Gala. Let's go to the small time frames. Oh, it's nice. Gala actually managed to break it to the upside. Yeah, it might pump soon. You see this downtrend? See this downtrend? Oh, this is nice. This is nice. See this downtrend? Gala actually managed to break the downtrend to the upside. Right now, it's consolidating here right now. So it needs to break this smaller downtrend up here. And as soon as this is broken as well, up here, it's gonna pump. It's gonna pump. It's close. It's close. It looks good. Gala looks very nice. So it definitely can make another move towards the upside. What do you think about Algo? They're having an event now. I think the hype was the event was the news, buy the news, and you know, no, buy the rumor, sell the news. So right now Algo is let me check Algo. Let me check, see what Algo is doing right now. I'll just do it like, you know, too many stuff on the chart. Algorand. No, we gotta find, I have my lines on Algo. There's Algo, 4.5. There is actually no lines on Algo. Yeah, there are lines on Algo. Yeah, Algo is looking like really, it has this really weird chart. Let's do this on the weekly because too many lines. Let's remove the lines for a second up here. Yeah, it's just been climbing, you know, parabolic move, going to consolidation. It is sitting on some kind of bottom down here. This is the only important part up here. Let's go to the daily up here and see what's happening. It is still, you know, it is consolidating or something like that. Maybe it's some kind of bottom down here. It needs to break the moving averages to the upside as the first step, but something like this. It's close. You can see that it broke this triangle. It broke this triangle up here. There was a triangle. It broke the triangle. Retest triangle right now. I mean, this might have been some kind of but it needs to move towards the upside. So it's not quite that good looking right now. It looks nice, but not quite there yet. That's because I sold ZIL last night. Cup and handle. ZIL 10%, yeah, ZIL, yeah, but ZIL is sitting at the bottom, you know, so even the 10% up here. ZIL is gonna get really exciting once it breaks this line up here. Once it breaks this line up here, it's gonna get really exciting, but right now it's just trying to get above these moving averages up here. You know, it's just trying to do this and go towards the upside, you know, and of course it has a you know, 30% room to go to there, and we've seen a lot of coins do 30% towards the upside and then, you know, do this for a month's time. before they actually break out. So it's, you know, we only get excited by coins that break the big triangles towards the upside, because all of this up here is just trading range, you know, all of this up here is trading range. Rich and Junkie here looking for a hit on the charts. Cliff. VeChain 1.14%. The VeChain had this very nice run up towards the upside, broke that on the downside. You can see the blue line. Went down there to the bottom down here. Right now sitting on some kind of bottom, 200 moving average. If this isn't the bottom, it's gonna look bad on the downside. Now on the other hand, if it is the bottom, it's gonna pump. So it's gonna pump. When it's gonna pump, we need the trend. We need to figure out the trend up here. So you can see this is the downtrend, and we need to figure out when the downtrend is gonna stop. Nah, this is the fake out. Yeah, something like this, give or take. So yeah, it is breaking the downtrend right now. I think it is breaking the downtrend right now. This is on 4 hourly. Yeah, it looks like everything looks like this. Everything looks like this. You know, it wants to go. So everything looks good, guys. Everything looks good. Sasha, tell us about the moons. There are no moons, man. There are no moons. Yeah, what's happening with moons, by the way? See, Bitcoin is not quite yet there. It's close, but not quite yet there. I mean, it is holding this this triangle. You know, it is holding the triangle, but not quite yet there. Okay, let's do the moons. Moons are a little bit, you know, moons are a little bit, you know, kind of off. See, this is the dump moon, and the dump moon did actually dump us down. This is the pump moon, but you know, it's kind of taking its time. This is the dump moon from over here. So technically we are up from the, you know, from the full moon. We are technically up. And from the dump moon down here, we are technically down. So the dump moon did go down. And the pump moon, even though we have been going a little bit down, it is still, you know, going towards the upside. So it is good. Now the big fear is that on the 4th of November, 4th of December is a big no moon. It's a big, you know, new moon, and you know, the fear is that we're gonna go something like this and then straight down. That's the fear, right? That's the fear. I still have high hopes for ARK. ARK is one of these coins from 2018. There has been a lot of talking about ARK, but ARK is unfortunately not been performing the way I see it. Let's see here. Let's see the weekly chart. Yeah, it is going some kind of triangle up here, and it is climbing this uptrend up here, but it needs to break this line up here for us to get excited, and we are not excited right now. Right now, not that excited about it. Bitcoin is up in green again, 0.18%. What chart are we gonna look at? This chart is nice. 4 hourly chart, yeah, nice green candle up here. Let's see, moving averages up here. Yeah, it's a back above 10 and 20. Bitcoin looks nice, guys. 1 hourly, it's back above 10 and 20 moving average. Is it breaking this downtrend? Yeah, it looks nice. It looks like it wants to go again, guys. Bitcoin looks like it wants to go again. More exciting than my wife. Ooh, you better hope she doesn't watch the late adopter live stream on her phone in her room. When you say break the line, what in really you think will happen? People will see pump and will buy? No. The lines are important. The lines can be both the downtrend lines, uptrend lines, glitch. Oh, we're gonna check glitch. You're talking about ARK. Let's go back to ARK. So what I mean when I say break the line, because you know oftentimes there are different ways to break the line. You can see down here, up here, this was uptrend. What happens when you break the uptrend? That's a very bad sign. So if you break the uptrend, you know, and close below the uptrend, all the traders see that and they start selling because they don't like that. So you know, traders like you know, trends, and this is a trend that goes towards the upside. If you break trend on the downside, they don't like that and start selling, right? And that means bad news. On the same way, you know, other lines, resistance line, mean that, you know, when you break them, it doesn't mean that everybody's gonna start buying and you're gonna go to the upside. It means that you are becoming a lot more bullish. So breaking the line means you are becoming bullish, and there is a big probability, you know, for continuation towards the upside. So breaking the resistance line is very good. This was a resistance line. Or a downtrend line. It's actually technically it's not very steep to be a trend line, but it's a resistance line, and once we break that, what we are actually hoping for, it's some kind of consolidation, and then, you know, a continuation of this uptrend, maybe even a faster uptrend than it was. So this was uptrend, but if we break the upside, we might get some kind of faster uptrend towards the upside. How this works? Oftentimes you'll see price having certain maybe it's going some kind of sideways motion, and you'll see there is a trend line right above it. If you break this trend line, it doesn't mean that it's gonna go towards the upside. It just means when you break the trend, you create a new trend. So you can go something like this, something like this. We really don't know, but breaking the trend is actually good. So if you have a big downtrend, something like this over here, you break the trend, oftentimes you just go sideways. But if you break this this new trend towards the upside, you might go something like this. And this is where it gets exciting. When you break these uptrend lines that goes towards the upside, not towards the downside, but towards the upside, this is when you increase the speed towards the upside. You're increasing the speed, and that's what we like the best. We like these uptrend lines getting broken. So rising wedges that get broken to the upside, what does that mean? That means parabolic move. That means increase in speed, and we like that. For example, fear right now is breaking the very same. You can see here we had two lines up here. We broke that on the downside. We do not like that, you know, we break the, you know, uptrend to the downside, because that's bad. And you can see here we had an uptrend line up here that was, you know, pushing us towards the upside. First of all, this is a bigger uptrend, but there was a smaller uptrend up here. It was pushing upside. What happened here? We broke that uptrend. Nobody likes that, so we, you know, start crashing towards downside. Found the bottom down here on this line. Found the bottom, and then went up. But look here. This previous big resistance line, you know, that's going towards the upside, got broken towards the upside. We broke the resistance, a resistance line. So what does that mean? That means that this move up here right now, it's increasing in speed. You know, we like that. Shiba breakout. Ooh, is it? Nah, not yet. It's close, it's close, it's close, it's close. Yeah, maybe. It's only 50 moving average. It's only 50. I think it needs to get above the 50 moving average as well. And you know, in this line up here is also gonna get the resist. But you know, it doesn't matter what it does here. We just don't want to go back down here, below down here. If it does this, nice, but we don't want it to go down here. Check Curve Finance. Yeah, Curve is doing nice. Curve is doing nice. So we like trends. Trends are alpha and omega in tech analysis. You'll see, you know, MM Crypto, the Moon, the Moo. A lot of these guys that are trading a lot, they love trend lines, man. Trend lines are alpha and omega. You have to really understand. I like to sell my SHIB token. I'm a seller of SHIB Inu. This isn't RuneScape where you scream with caps. You know, I'm selling this, I'm selling that. Buying iron 5,000. Hello, please check Sand. Yeah, let's check Sand. I did a video on Sand, so we can check Sand. Sand is right now 4.7% up. People didn't believe me, guys. People didn't believe me. I told them that I told them up here at 7.5. 7.5 up here. Up here, I told them that right now, if it goes a little bit down, it's gonna go into a consolidation phase. People didn't believe me, and look what happened down here. Now you might say, yeah, but we are back. Yeah, we are back now, but I told you up here at the very top that we are gonna go into consolidation. I didn't say it's gonna die, I said consolidation. This is consolidation because we broke the trend. We broke the trend We went into consolidation. Now this second trend broke to the upside, so right now going towards the upside, right? This is a pivot point, this is a pivot point. So next time we break this line up here, I'm gonna show you. Next time we break this line up here, that's when we get excited about sand. I'm leveraged scalp on sand. Aiketre. I hope you are good on tech analysis. If you are scalping, you should be like madman on technical analysis. Ada breaking downtrend. No way, no way, no way. Nah, Ada is in green, 0.14%. Matic is up 4.77% though. Yeah, Matic is back above the moving averages, which is quite nice. But it got this line up here that needs to break. It is, you know, hitting this line on the dollar. And you can see, guys, you can see, oh, not on dollar, actually, it's this dollar up here. But it's looking good. So if it can close like this up here, it's looking very good. Everything looks good, nice. Everything looks good, guys. Everything looks good. No, I'm not learning it here. That's good, man, that's good. Keep on following. I'll tell you everything you need to know about technical analysis. Is this very... Guys, I'm gonna teach you technical analysis. I'm not gonna teach you everything about technical analysis. I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about technical analysis, and then you can go and figure it out, okay? And it's very easy. It's, you know, people think that technical analysis is complicated. It's not. It's very easy. And I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about technical analysis, okay? First of all, you need to know about the volume. Okay, this is the volume on the downside. So guys, get ready. This is gonna be a quick, course in tech analysis. And you're gonna, after I'm done with this, by the fear. After I'm done with this, you will know everything there is to know about tech analysis. You also know everything that you should not be doing about tech analysis. And this is the most important. Okay, so you need to know about the volume. And when it comes to the volume, volume only shows interest. So if the prices goes up and the volume goes up, that shows that there's interest in the price. Interest in the price, we like that. The same way, if the price goes up and the volume goes down, that shows that there is no interest in the price. That means that price might actually dump or consolidate or something like that. We don't like that. In some kind of consolidation pattern, when the price goes sideways, the volume should go down. But that doesn't mean, because of course, if price is consolidating, the interest is, you know, waning. So volume only shows interest in something. So volume goes up, there is big interest. Volume goes down, low interest. Volume goes sideways, nothing. Volume, big thing in tech analysis. Learn the volume. Second big thing in tech analysis are the moving averages. The moving averages. Do not use EMAs. Do not use EMAs. Do not use EMAs. Use moving averages. Simple moving averages. Simple moving averages. Or just EMAs. Use EMAs. Simple moving. Why? I don't let me go into that. But you know, use simple moving averages. Moving averages. You're gonna do fine. You need 5 moving averages: 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200. 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. Why? Because moving averages are acting as a support and resistance line. That's the support and resistance lines. If you look at the moving averages, I understand that lag indicator. We are not using it to predict the price. We are using moving averages to find support and resistance line. For example, if you go to the weekly time frame, you'll see up here that 10 moving averages are support line, support line, support line. They had support and resistance lines. So when price goes down, we are using moving averages to find out where the price will get support and bounce, right? The same way, if you are on the downside down here, we are using the moving averages to find where the resistances are. So moving averages are just support and resistance line. That brings us to the next point, technical analysis. Support and resistance lines. That's the only thing you have to know about technical analysis. Technical analysis is all about support and resistance lines. Like that's like 90% of the entire technical analysis. If you are good at finding support and resistance lines, you're gonna be madman on technical analysis, because that's the only thing that you have to understand. Now, how do you find support and resistance line on technical on chart? Number one, there are horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Use this line. Horizontal lines. We use horizontal lines, and there is a lot of horizontal lines. So if price goes towards the upside, right, it creates some kind of horizontal line up here. That's resistance, and on the downside, you know, when it goes downside, that's some kind of support, right? So we got a support and the resistance lines, right? On the weekly time frame, we use the bodies. We don't use the wicks up here. We don't use these wicks. We use bodies for horizontal resistance lines. So you do something like this. This is our resistance. 65,495 is the resistance to the upside. It's not the wick up here at 68,000. Wick doesn't matter. Wicks are for trend lines. We're gonna come back to that. The horizontal lines are the most important lines, and those are that you want to use for support and resistance lines. So this would be support. This would be, especially these pivot points. These pivot points are creating really nice support lines and the resistance line, right? And on top up here, all of these up here are resistance lines or support lines, right? So you don't want to break the support, you know. So these horizontal are made by these lines. Now this support, these bodies, you know, they go on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour and so forth. But most valuable ones or most interesting ones are on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So this is the monthly time frame, the support or resistance lines, and all of these other ones are weekly support lines. Now you can go to the daily as well, but if you go to the daily, you cannot look for some kind of down here. Daily is more like you gotta zoom in, you gotta look for you know, local time, and then you find some kind of support and resistance lines, right? This is a resistance, support, and so forth. So support and resistance lines are, you know, horizontal lines are used by bodies. So you can also do this. You go up here, you go to the symbol, you remove the wicks, and now it's a lot easier to see where all of these lines are, right? Especially these pivot points, right? They create support and resistance lines. Now, of course, there's a lot more to this than just that, you know, which line to use, which are more important than other ones, you know, but we won't go into that. The next thing, beside the moving averages, so you got a moving averages, right? Beside moving averages, and you got the horizontal lines, which other lines can be support and resistance lines? And that's trend lines. Okay, so trend lines are made not with the bodies, they are made with the wicks, okay? And here comes the juicy part. You use the wicks when you create trend lines. So use this this over here, this is extended line, and you use the wicks, okay? You always use the wicks. You can see this one is very nice because, you know, it hits over here, you know, you use wicks. And trend lines also act as a support and resistance lines, both downside and upside. So use this one, right, to create some kind of support and resistance lines, and they also create. So you got moving averages, you got a horizontal lines, and you got trend lines to give you some kind of a support and resistance lines that you can try to analyze the price, you know, if it's above them, if it's below them, and so forth. So trend lines are very, very important, right? And trend lines can also be used to, you know, find the trends, right? This is some kind of downtrend over here. Once you break the downtrend, you can become bullish, and so forth. Trend lines, very, very important. What more do we have on the chart that can help us? There are a couple of indicators that can help us with this. Over here, we're not gonna use the TLOX. We got RSI. RSI is very interesting indicator, but it's a little bit complicated to use, so you know you need to learn that. It just shows some kind of overbought levels. But to understand about RSI, it's a lagging indicator. Never use it to find switches. Always use to find when the price and the indicator are going into the same are corresponding with each other, and then you look for some kind of bullishness. You know, there is whole you can make a whole course about RSI, but you know that's the indicator you need. And the second indicator you need is the MACD. Also shows you momentum in the price. Also, you can make a whole new whole course about, you know, MACD indicator, how to use it, how to not use it. But you can see here, for example, the price is going towards downside, and this over here, this is the momentum going towards the upside. So it does show that we are nearing some kind of bottom, you know. So you can already see that there is not a lot of stuff to use to understand tech analysis. You got horizontal lines, trend lines, moving averages, volume, RSI, MACD. That's it, guys. That's it. There is nothing else. That's it. Those are the things that you use. What you should not use are EMAs, because what we want to know when we are looking at moving average, we want to see average price for the last 50 days. We don't want to find average price for the last 50 days and then move it up a little bit or move it down a little bit. We just want to find the average price of something for the last 50 days. That's the support and resistance lines, right? So we like that. So do not use EMAs. Do not use EMAs. Do not use Fibonacci's. Do not use Fibonacci's either. What is Fibonacci? I'm gonna show you right now really quick, because I'm trying to save you. Right now I'm trying to save you. I know a lot of people are using Fibonacci because they are really easy to use. You just pull some kind of, you know, top to bottom, and then you get these support lines over here. There is no need to use Fibonacci for support lines. I just told you how to find the support lines. The legit support lines, how to find them. Moving averages, horizontal lines, trend lines. That's how you find support lines. You do not need Fibonacci and random numbers. We can go into nature versus psychology and stuff like that, but you do not need Fibonacci. You don't need Fibonacci, you don't need EMAs, and you don't need the Elliott waves, because Elliott waves, you know, it's you know, maybe in some kind of long-term stuff, but you do not need Elliott waves. And there is one more thing, there's one last thing I'm gonna show you right now that you must not do under any kind of situation. Okay, this one thing, there is thing called VPVR, this visible range. Okay, this indicator down here, it's the most stupid thing ever. It's the most stupid thing ever. It's the most stupid thing ever, and people who do not don't know how to find support and resistance lines, they use VPVR to see where you know, where the supports are. That's what they use it for. They see there is you know, little stuff up here. But I just told you, when you get good at technical analysis, horizontal lines, moving averages, trend lines, once you got those three, you know on the dollar where support and resistance lines are. And once you know that, you know technical analysis. Don't use VPVR, don't use EMAs, don't use Elliott waves, don't use Fibonacci's. Use what I just told you. Figure out and get good at it, because you know, every single thing that I just mentioned, I could talk a whole day about that, and how to find, you know, how to use it, how to not use it. But those are the things that you need to do. And once you do that, that's it, guys. That's the technical analysis. And then you have to incorporate psychology and stuff like that into that. You know, and you know, and there are other subjects when it comes to that, you know, stop hunting, stuff like that, bull traps, bell traps, and you know, all these kind of stuffs. But that's it. That's it. That's the tech analysis. I hope that helps, guys. I hope that helps. Bitcoin is pumping, Shiba pumping 7% towards the upside. It's a good thing I bought. We don't want to use VPVR. I don't want people to come to the stream and see that I'm using VPVR and then tell me that man, you're pro. SHIB pumping, yeah, SHIB is up 7%. 6% right now. BTC pumping, everything looks nice. Good days, guys, good days, good days. I told you that Bitcoin is gonna pump. We just saw that, right? Where did we just see that? Where is the line? I swear we had the line. Yeah, here's the line. See what I tell you, guys, what I tell you. Trend line, see the trend line up here? As soon as it breaks the trend line, close above trend line, it goes up. 36 hours to get 88k for plan B. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. 36 hours. Unless we get some kind of, you know, huge candle, it's not gonna happen. So there you go, guys. Technical analysis in a nutshell. That's all you need to know. Technical analysis. Once you know that, you know everything. And of course, follow this channel, because you use regular RSI or stock RSI. Just regular RSI. I mean, there is a lot of indicators that can be helpful and stuff like that. I'm not saying anything against that. If you see down here on the chart, I got something called if you see on the chart here, I got something called TLI OVX. This is my own indicator, this overextension indicator. So there are indicators that can be useful for finding, you know, certain stuff on the chart. So I'm not against indicators. I'm just saying that you know, don't use only what you know how to use, and use only what is very helpful, what it can help you. Like, too many indicators is not very helpful. RSI and MACD are like must-have indicators because literally everybody uses that. There is not a single technical analysis that doesn't use RSI and MACD. But when it comes to stock RSI and stuff like that, like you can use that, but you know, it doesn't mean. I still hope you get 50k subscribed before 31 December. I don't know, man. It looks grim, man. 1 month. I'm not quite sure. I've been lagging on the videos, so you know something needs to improve, and that's what would say CoinSkid. I don't know, man. I don't know what he'd say. But you know, I have nothing against CoinSkid. I have nothing against other people doing Fibonacci's or Elliott waves or VPVR or any other indicator. I always say, use whatever gets you the money. Use whatever gets you the entries. Use whatever it's, you know, if you, here's how you know you're doing correctly. Figure out the tech analysis. Figure out what has to happen for something else to happen. If that continues to happen, then you're doing it correctly. I don't care if that's Fibonacci. I don't care if that's Elliott waves. I don't care if you use EMAs or 32 or 21 EMAs or whatever. I don't care what you use. If your analysis is getting you the results, then it's good enough way to do. What I'm saying is what I have figured out is what I think is the best way to do tech analysis. This is it's not the only way, but I think it's the best way to find support resistance line, to find the trends, to find the momentum, to find the bullishness and bearishness and so forth. But of course, do whatever gets you the money. Now we are all the late adopter. Dismos, I thought you were driving the bus, and you still haven't changed the name to the late the bus driver, or the late the Moss. Looking green, yeah. Everything looks nice, guys. Everything looks nice. Dogecoin is up 4% right now. Shiba up 6%. ZIL 10%. Bitcoin pumping 2% towards the upside. It's going towards the resistance up here at what's that? 58.6. So I think it's gonna go up here and consolidate. So soon it's gonna hit some kind of top. Cardano up 2%, so it's nice to see here. What do we say about Cardano? That it is the bottom down here. Like at the start of the stream, we said Cardano is at the bottom. Let's go back there. I mean, we don't, you know, it's like the other downside, you know, you don't want to, this seems to want to do that. But this pullback up here, this is the best you can hope for. Here we go. Let me just do it like this. Because this looks like a downtrend, like, but Cardano definitely right now look at some kind of bottom support. Now there is a very important line for Cardano up here, because this looks like on downside, you know, you don't want to, you're not gonna like that, and if it breaks, you know, even. So if this is any kind of bottom right now, this is it, guys. This is it. You know, this is the bottom for ADA. Now, if it breaks, you know, below the moving averages again, you know, that's gonna be bad, of course. But right now, you know, after this pump, this is the pullback. This is the pullback. This is the bottom. You know, so you know, buy supports, and support is right over here. So you know, if you ever gonna buy ADA, not financial advice, you know, this is the place to buy right now, because if it and of course if it breaks on downside, you know. This is the place to buy. This over here. I Luna scalp going to exit after 10% pump, then it pumped 27%, but at least I got some profit. I usually exit too early or way too late. Trends, man, trends. Around the trend. You find the support line, and then as long as it's above the support line, you ride it, and then as soon as you break the support, you know, you exit. as using stuff, trading and losing money, losing 30% of portfolio. Hodl is better at 15% without work. I just need extra strategy. Damn, John, that's totally right, man. Trading is really hard, and you need to have some kind of top-notch tech analysis, you know, to back that up. Because if you don't have that, you will lose, definitely 100% lose money. I have no doubt about it. Especially if you start doing leverage, like, and you don't have any technical analysis to back that the moves up. Like, you definitely gonna you are definitely gonna lose money. So for most people, buy and hodl is the best strategy. Buy, you know, as long as you're in some kind of bull market, you know, buy and hodl is the best strategy. Bitcoin right now 2.24% up. Nice. Oh, see here, hitting support on the dollar, on the goddamn dollar. Are we gonna break this up here, guys? Let's see where the other lines. We are actually breaking that. Bitcoin looks bullish, guys. Bitcoin looks bullish. If it managed to break this line up here, it looks bullish, guys. It looks so bullish. When passengers go out or in, I type quick. 3 hours more to work. We'll look at your course on a big flat screen. We'll reply. Okay, man. Cheers. Bulls are back. Yeah, everything looks nice. Doge loan moving faster. Yeah, Doge. I mean, some of these coins might move a lot faster. I get that, guys. I get that. Let's see, Flocky. Flocky. Why it's asking me to refresh the goddamn page every 5 seconds? What's wrong with you, man? Doge loan moving faster. Yeah, we're gonna check Doge loan as well. Please break. And there we go. Is it breaking out? No, not yet. Very soon. You know, Flocky has this nice falling wedge up here. So if it breaks out, yeah, I think it might move a little bit back down. If it breaks out, I think Flocky might go. Also, Flocky, you know, some big guys got Flocky, you know. So, you know, keep that in mind. Doge loan. I haven't checked this chart. I actually never checked Doge loan chart. Since Jack Dorsey stepped down, everything going up. Jack Dorsey stepped down. Oh, this looks nice. I mean, it's not as nice as you know, the pump of you know, from over here. You know, this was parabolic move. This consolidation. I don't know if consolidation is done or not. Let's see here. Something like this. It needs to break this up here, but it also has, I think, some kind of no, it looks more like a channel than so you don't want to break channel downside, you want to break the upside, but you know, it has a little bit more room to go up here. What's that right now? That's something like, yeah, 20% up. After 20%, if it breaks the upside, it might be look good. Let's see on this on look. Yeah, like if you bought down here, you're pretty much, you know, look at the pump up here. Look at the second pump up here. Crazy. Bitcoin going up. Yeah, it's 2% up right now. That's nice name. 45,687k. Come on, guys. That was funny. What was funny? What was funny? I don't know what was funny. Who said the joke? Press the like button. Most channels we charge to teach you what TLI is giving away for free. I'm actually charging for that. Just not over here. The Omic is turning into a Omi bull. Let's go. Yeah, about the COVID variant, guys. You know, there has been scroll up. It just seems sometimes that stock and RSI show opposite. I think that wasn't that funny. Okay, thank you. Stock and no, I cannot see anything that you wrote that was funny. Sorry. Do you think BTC can end the month candle at green if it breaks this resistance? Yeah, I do actually think that, and that's another thing we can talk about. Bitcoin, or you know, right now it's hitting this resistance up here, so it is having a little bit stop up here. The very interesting part for the monthly time frame. Right now we are at, this is 57.39, but this is lagging a little bit behind. Right now we are at 58.4 there. So can we go up above, can we close above 61,003? Definitely, and we can do that, and we still got like something like 2 days left, and this is not a big move right now. This is another 5% towards the upside. So you know, yesterday we did 5%, like a big move in like 4-hour candle, big move towards the upside. This can be very bullish. Not only that, we don't have to actually close up here. We can just close above this line. We can just close above this line up here, above 58.7. If we close above 58.7, technically we close above the support, and that's actually a good thing. What did the hurricane say to the coconut palm tree? Hurricane to the coconut palm. Okay, hang on to your nuts, boys. This ain't no ordinary. Captain got the jokes. Captain got the jokes. She got the gems and the jokes. Now, can you get a better deal? I don't know. COVID is overrated. I am not afraid anymore. Yeah, about COVID, guys. About COVID and the new variant. We said, I've been saying for a couple of days right now, since Friday, that since the dump, that I'm not quite sure it's gonna play out the same way it did play out. You sound a highly stressed person. I'm a highly stressed person. I'm sorry, but I am. I'm very edgy. COVID in 2020 dumped really hard, you know, because it was a new thing. Nobody knew what is gonna happen. Lockdowns, you know, Italy started locking down, and China locked down a city, you know. People thought it was the end of the world, so everything drops straight down. But you know, Black Swan events take a little time to, you know, figure out what's happening, and then they recover. The same thing happened now. We had a Black Swan event with this new variant, right, with this new thing, and it was a Black Swan event. The market dropped down because there was a lot of fear, but you know, the people already know what's gonna happen. They already know how to price the market in, and as soon as they figure out, you know, it's gonna be fine, the market recovered. So I wasn't actually expecting the big drop like previous time. There could have been some kind of bleed, but not even a bleed, so it's all good. That's what she said. Solana looks like it's about getting done consolidating. Yes, what's happening with Solana, guys? What's happening? You know, no, when people stop talking about a coin, that's what I get interesting. That's what I get interesting when people stop talking. 5.44%. This is the monthly, this weekly. The weekly looks good. The weekly got support on the 10 moving average, which is very nice. Green candle up here, very good. Looks nice. The consolidation might have been done for Solana. Yeah, you're definitely right. Right, consolidation might have been done. Let's see here. So we still wait, like everything else, we still wait for certain trends to be broken. You can see the trend line up here. That's also 20 moving average up here. As soon as it gets above here, above this trend line up here, we're gonna get interested up here. Still in downtrend up here, but you know, as soon as it does this, like, it's gonna pop again. But you know, the question is, how much can a Solana pop, because it is so high on the market cap. So you know, can it do you know, 100%? Yeah, it can. Can it do 10x? I'm not quite so sure about that. I called my broker, and he told me I got good news and bad news. What do I want to hear first? The good news, BTC went up 90%. Okay, and the bad news, I forgot to call you yesterday. But if he did call you yesterday and said it's gone up 90%, still up 90%. Other things to go out here now. Yeah, yeah. The Phantom, let's see, add a 2% right now. It's at some kind of bottom, but you know, because it needs to break this downtrend. If it manages to break the downtrend up here, it's gonna look so good. But if you get rejected here and get back below the 10-20 moving average down here, it's gonna look bad. It's gonna look very, very bad. Do you have 1 meter snow in Norway right now? No, we don't. We are, I'm very close to Oslo, you know, down south. In north, they might have snow right now. I don't know. Norway is very, you know, large. But we are hoping for some kind of white Christmas. Right now we got frozen Christmas, but we don't have snow yet. Snow usually come in December around these parts. January and February definitely snow, but what about Sandbox? Looks good. We just checked Sandbox and Sandbox was looking good. Yeah, it's still going there. It still needs to break. You know, it broke this downtrend. It broke this downtrend, so it went up right now, created this new resistance that has to break. Once it breaks this resistance up here, it's gonna look very nice. I should probably do some 10x on this. If I do 10x on this one, that's how far down? Can we go to the 50 MI again? That's up here. Should I do 10x on sand right now? Because it can go down again. Technically, it can go down. Of course, anything can go down. That's around here, right? So technically, it can go down. I can get liquidated. Let's see up here. That's 13% down. Shaky. Is BTC breaking resistance on hourly? 2.4. Goddamn, Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. Bitcoin is pumping. No, it's not. It's just hitting this top up here. It needs to consolidate here. I don't care what you guys. I mean, it can do this. Yeah, yes, it can do this. But this was, you know, very special event. It's gonna do it again. Right now, hitting some major resistance up here. So you know, breaking the resistance on an impulsive move is very hard. What usually happens is you go to the resistance, you consolidate, wait for the moving energy, and then you break it. You very rarely will you break resistance on an impulsive move. Impulsive move only goes to the resistance, consolidation, then breakout. Tezos doing good. Why is people talking about Tezos? We got the list down here. I'm gonna show you, and it says, "Don't care, bad is underperforming." These are the coins, and here's Tezos. So let's see Tezos. Yeah, still underperforming. Still, you know, broke the trend. It's still some kind of bigger trend up here. You know, still looks okay, but you know, it's been going this downtrend forever. Let's see down here. Yeah, it's some kind of downtrend. It's still downtrend, like. Give or take, yeah. It's still down. It is finding some kind of nice support here at 200 moving average on the daily. So you know, this might be some kind of bottom where it's actually gonna go up, but you know, it needs to break. A lot of coins needs to break this this downtrend. A lot of coins, not just Tezos. A lot of coins needs to break the downtrend. Playing Sandbox now and watching TL at the same time. Nice. Superman is useless on Wednesday evening because he goes to a weekly Bitcoin meetup. It's his kryptonite. Oh man. I'm gonna steal that. If you're not following me on Twitter, guys, follow me on Twitter, because on Twitter I do tweets like these. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you what kind of tweets I do on Twitter. I do tweets like this down here. Where is it? Like this one down here. Oh noes, and then you know something bad is happening. So if you wanna get, you know, the panic attacks, the stress level up by 2000, join my Twitter. Put notifications on. Because when you see this, you know, if you're not stressful enough, you will be stressful once you see these kind of tweets. Okay, I still got like 25 minutes left before kids get home. Oh my god, we did live stream for 2 hours. God damn, that's a long time. Where we can buy the TLI NFT? I don't know. I don't know. I should probably start making TLI NFTs. I've had crazy 3 days at work. I'm a bit crazy at the moment. Only way to get the violence off my mind. Yeah, you work in a jail, right? Lol, all the stress. Yeah, all the stress. Super chat! We got a super chat, guys! Sean Coutot, 5 Canadian dollars. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. Dude, thanks. I appreciate it. I love the super chats. Hello, sir. Gamma is the in-game token of wars. So small market cap. Gamma. Hidden gem. TA, please. Sean, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. I love the color. It's green. It's nice. It's green. It's blue greenish color on the super chat. I'm gonna check your coin, man. I'm gonna check your coin. Gamma versus ETH. I don't know if I want to do versus ETH. Gamma. It's this one or this one? I think it's Gamma is Gam. A half a beer. It's half a beer. It's okay. If I get two of these, you know, super chats, I'll get, you know. Ooh, this looks bad. Oh man, this looks bad. But you know, it's a some kind of bottom. So it's a some kind of bottom, but it does not look that promising right now. Let's see this on daily chart. Like it might be some kind of, yeah. I mean, it went parabolic up here, and this is sell off. This is the secondary pump. It's still getting sell off. It looks bad, man. It looks bad. That I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, but you know, it looks very bad, and. You know, we can talk about some kind of trend line, stuff like that, what it needs to happen, but right now it just bleeding up. So you know, it started up here, it had a big pump, secondary pump, you know, and big sell off down here, and right now, you know, everybody down here is they're still selling right now. This is some kind of bottom down here, so you know, this is some kind of bottom. So you know, there is always, you know, it cannot go lower, but you know, and when it cannot go lower, it pumps. But even this pump over here is getting, you know, sold off. So it looks bad, man. Sorry about that. Gamma is definitely getting some attention lately from what I've noticed. It looks like the other charts we're looking at. Now I don't like the chart. I don't like the chart. I think there are better charts, and Gamma doesn't look that promising, to be honest with you. Bitcoin definitely going for it. It looks nice. Definitely looks very nice. Sand is minus 7% down for the day. Super is up 7.66%. Is it breaking up here? No. Ron, adopt. Wait. Captain, $2. Here's 2 sips of beer. Love ya, bro. Ah, Captain. Appreciate it. Ron, $100. Whale is in the house. Thanks, man. Thanks for bucks. I appreciate it. How many beers can I get for 100 RON? How many beers can I get for 100 RON? NOK USD. 100 RON. How much is 100 RON? 100 RON is $205. So 205 divided by 90. 2.2 beers. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Ron donated 2 beers. I'm gonna get drunk tonight. Thanks, man. I appreciate him. There we go. You know, 2.2 beers plus 2 sips and a half beer. You know, we're getting up to 3 beers right now. Unlimited beers. You can buy beer maker here with it and make your own. A beer making kit with it and make your own. Yeah, I'm not into beer making, so you know. But I like sand. I like that sand is down. I like that sand is down. I like the sand broke the uptrend up here and it's right now down at the bottom. I wanna lol drunk. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's see this up here. You know what I'm gonna go long on sand as soon as it breaks. What is gonna break? It actually is breaking up here. Are we gonna use this one? No, but technically it is breaking it like over here. It is you know, above it. I'm gonna call it right now. I'm gonna say it's okay. I'm gonna say we dumped enough. Eco keys, 4.99 bucks. That's a beer, man. That's a beer. 4 times 10, 15. No, that's a half a beer. So with Eco and Sean bucks, I got a full beer there. Nice. 22, 23 bucks USD. Wait, that wasn't 100. 100 RON is yeah, 100 RON is yeah, it's Romanian bucks. RON adopter is Romanian. So let's see 30-minute chart up here. I mean, technically you could say we are breaking the downtrend up here. Let's see it a little bit more up here. You know, I'm feeling like, you know, things are bullish right now. You know, we should do some kind of, you know, live long leverage trade. Why not? So I like sense. So let's see here, sitting down. Let's see the daily up here. Daily pull back to 73, which is okay. You know, some kind of uptrend. So that's that. There is no divergence up here. Let's see weekly up here. Yeah, still no divergence up here, but it is sitting at some very high levels, 95. So it is kind of scary going long on sand. But it did hit on the other hand, like down to 10 moving average. Nah, it is kind of scary. It is kind of scary because it's not actually pumping. You know what? It is down 4.5% when everything else is up. How much is the beer in Norway? 90 bucks. That's 45 RON. 45 RON. So on Bybit I can long Gala. Let's see Gala, how Gala is looking on the weekly time frame. I mean, Gala looks better than Sand. Let's see. Coin cap. Gala. Let's see Gala. I want to help promote alcoholism too. Cheers, Alessandro the Clinical. $5. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. Half a beer there as well. So Ron isn't your name. My dead name actually is Ron. No, he's the thing about Ron, and you know, he had a different name before, so we used to call him. But he donated Ron, so I was calling him Ron. So eventually he changed the name to Ron Adopter. He's a true follower. Ron is one of the first guys to join the TA family club, you know. So. Christian Gooks, $10. That's a beer, man. That's a beer. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. We started a trend. God bless your father. In Bulgaria, the beer is €1. Yeah, I'm gonna take all your super chats. I'm gonna go to Bulgaria, and then instead of getting like 2 beers, I'm gonna get 20. That's for checking out. Thanks for me earlier and being awesome. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Christian Cooks. I appreciate the money. In my country, with 100 RON, you buy 100 beers. Yeah. In Norway, unfortunately, only two. 2.2 beers. 4.8 billion. Sand. 6 billion. So they're not that much off. And Sand looks like, sorry, Gala looks like, it has the same damn, Gala and Sand have the same kind of. Mana, on the other hand, did break the downtrend. Oh yeah, Mana looks nice. Let's see here. Are you gonna do long on mana? Yeah, why not? I think I wanna do long on mana, but you know, mana up here. Let's see here. Let's see daily. Yeah, it's fine. If pumps, it can go up here. No, momentum going a little bit down. Nice. Consolidation, nice. Okay, how much? If I'm gonna get liquidated, you know, how much down it's gonna go? 8%, 10 moving average, but you know, it can go down to 14%. But why should we go down? Why should we go down when we are breaking it up? So okay, let's go do it. Raw Panchalingam. Raw Panchalingam. 10 Australian bucks. Good music. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. More beers. The first member. Yeah, Ron is the first member. Take the super chest and go long 100x on and order a Lambo. I think I need more than super chest to order a Lambo and 100x. I think I need to do 100x on Flocky Inu like 1 month ago. Okay, let's go to Bybit and let me do long on mana. I gotta log in as well. Why do I have to log in on everything? Incorrect password. Incorrect password. I forgot password to... Incorrect. How can I... Oh yeah, okay, I get it, I get it. What? There we go, finally logged into my account. I thought I forgot the password. Bitcoin exploding, warning, only a trap. We gotta check it out, but first let me do a long on stuff. First I gotta log in. Look again later, up to 100 RON is more than 2 beers. Yeah, it's 2.2 beers. Look again. NOK RON, okay. Norwegian crowns to RON. And 100 RON is 205 bucks. Like 205 bucks, right? And then 205 divided by 90, because 90 costs 1 beer, you get 2.27 beers. 2.27 beers. 2 more sips and bar is closed. Captain, appreciate the money. $10 to 1 hourly close. When it's 4 hourly close in 2 hours. 2 hours is still about nice. I'm gonna long mana on Bybit. Let me see here. I don't know, it's very true. 50% of market, 10x isolated, 50% mana, open long, confirm. There we go. Longed mana, 10x leverage. Why not? Feeling crazy today, feeling crazy. I appreciate your time and TA. That's what you get when wife and kids are out of the house, you know. You get me. It makes me use the authenticator every time. That's good thing, man. That's good thing. Never be too safe, you know. So bad, such a horrible loan. I don't know. It's okay. I think it's okay. It finds some kind of bottom. It went up to the resistance. It found some kind of support up here. Right now, trying to break. It's breaking the trend up here. So it needs to break this larger trend. It can go down like if it goes down below here, like it's okay. Yeah, I get liquid like 200 moving average. It's 9% down. So you know, I think I might be safe You know, so you're gonna see. I'm gonna let it go to the liquidation, so it's not much money. By the way, guys, Bybit and stuff like that, leverage trading and stuff like that, I do for fun. It's to get my kick. You know, I'm not saying that, you know, buy or sell, mana or anything else. You know, it's just a little bit fun on the side, a little bit fun on the side. Long as a coin that's up 180 in a month, right at the end of the month, not coins that have a consolidated for 5 months sideways. I'm belonging in something that I, you know, if it can go down, yeah, I can. Am I gonna exit trade? Maybe if it goes against me, but not quite sure about that. I would like to long down here. It's called a scalp, you know. I'm not gonna hodl it for like a month time. I'm not gonna probably even gonna hodl it for 2 days, you know. So I'm probably gonna close before the month is done. Let's see the monthly chart up here. Yeah, monthly chart looks fine. Like, what's the problem with monthly chart? I mean, got some kind of divergence up here, but this can, you know, there are still no red candles. Nice. No problem, man, no problem. Mana can pumps. No problem. It's okay. All good, man, all good. $5 for a Bugsy boy. I've just gone long on Mana tool. Let's go. Bugsy, I hope you didn't, you know, put your life savings into that, because that can crash like son of a you know. That said, not financial wise. Nice. It can go down, like, I'm not saying it cannot go down. It's okay, it looks okay. You see, it's not even above the 20 moving average up here. So technically speaking, it's not even closed above this line up here. This candle is not even closed, you know, it's not, you know, it's premature long. You know, best case scenario, you go close the, you know, go long here, like, that's nice. Guys, here's another thing, you know, I'm trying, you know, to figure this leverage trading and stuff like that out. When you get, you know, best time to go long is on the supports, not on the breakout. Do not go long on the breakout. I don't know why. Every time I go long on the breakout, it always messes me up. I mean, it can come back up, but, you know, you're looking at some kind of liquidation. It's, you know, if you do leverage, you know, for fun and stuff like that on the side, for experienced traders only, if you do leverage, it's always best to do, it's buy the supports. Always, you know, buy support, never the breakout. Like, breakout, like, you do not want to wait for confirmation of the breakout. You want to buy support and then maybe hope for that the breakout is going to happen. When you are up already up 20%, when there is some kind of resistance up there. In the meantime, those coins will stall out and bleed. Guys, this isn't you know, leverage trading channel. We do not advise for leverage trading. Leverage trading should be done like when you go to Vegas. You know, you take your pocket money, you go there, you have some fun, you pull some levers, you know, you play some blackjack, you know, you drink a couple of beers, you know. That's it. That's Vegas, you know, and then you go home afterwards. Hopefully, it's, you know, home is not in Vegas, right? But, you know, that's the same thing, you know. It's small one. It's throwing my. If I lose this leverage trade, if I go to zero, nothing is gonna happen. Nothing is gonna happen. I will sleep like a baby tonight. I will sleep like a baby. It's all fun games. Just pocket change. Yeah, just pocket change. It's all fun games. Gotta respect total market cap support and resistance at this time. Nah, he did me a favor. This will be a blessing for his kindness. Indeed, buy support. Yeah, always like when it comes to leverage, don't wait for the. At least my experience, because I've seen people and traders are saying, wait for the resistance to be broken, wait for the confirmation, buy on the pullback and stuff like that. Forget about that. Find where the support is, buy that support, because if that support holds and goes towards upside, you know, you're good, because, you know, right now, you know, up 10%, 20%, right? And then it hits resistance, then you can hope it breaks the resistance and goes even further towards upside. But what happens if you buy the supports and it breaks the supports? You close the trade. And once you close the trade below the supports, you didn't lose nothing, right? But if you break the resistance and then it goes below the resistance and you close the trade, and then you have this, the problem with buying the resistance, I'm gonna tell you what oftentimes happen in technical analysis. You got some kind of triangle and the price moves in that triangle, right? and you do not buy the support, but you wait for the breakout. So what happens? You go into the breakout. You see the breakout. So oh, okay, I'm gonna buy the no, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna buy the support. So you buy the support. It does this, and then breaks down, and then you kind of sell because it went down, and then it's does this again. Oftentimes, a lot of times, it will go back inside triangle with something. You will sell, and it will skyrocket. It's best time, like, figure out where the support is, buy the support, doesn't matter where, because by the time it gets up here, even if it doesn't break, it goes back down, you're still at support, you're still in profits. And if it breaks out and goes down again, it doesn't matter what it does over here, some kind of shakeout, because they know traders buy the resist breakout, they know breakout traders buy the breakout, don't be that guy, buy support. And when it comes up here, you're already in profit. If it breaks up, you're already in profit. It goes down, you're already in profit. You're chilling down here. This is if it goes down here, you sell, But you're still good. You're still good. Buy supports, guys. Buy supports. Forget about it. Captain's got all the jokes, man. Gambler money you can afford to lose. After lunch, man, they're gonna start taking this shit down again. I can see a pattern on the daily. Can you check? Yeah, we can check. Any kind of patterns I'll check. I'll tell ya, you're long and I'm short, so we'll see shortly. You short on mana! You short! Ooh, man! That's gonna be exciting. You short on mana. How can you be short on mana right now? Man, how can you be short? Okay, let me see. What was my buy price? Average entry price 5.01. How can I have this high? 5.0142. Wow, I'm actually above the 20 moving average. Okay, so this is is there a possibility to take some text? Signpost. TLAB long. Nah. What can we do? Call out. Okay. Wait. Yellowish. Long. Okay. Two colors. Background. No background. It's nice without nice without background. And this is gonna be like something like this one. No, this color up here, and it's gonna be a little bit less. TL long. Okay, TL long. So this is my long. And hi Car Jesus, what's your wait. Hi Car Jesus, what's your average price? What's your average price for the short? They gave you playtime. My entry mana was at 5.11. 5.11. Okay. Let's high card Jesus short. Okay, let's 5.11. Wow, you how did you short? Okay, you short probably up here somewhere. Okay, doesn't matter. Are you still short? Did you short up here? 5.11. Did you short up here? Did you short up here or did you short here? Where did you short? I'm guessing you shorted somewhere around here. Oh, 1 hourly close below 20 moving average. Yeah, okay. Oh shit, he's marking me down. Yes, I did. Yeah. Okay, so it was nice short because it hit resistance and stuff like that, right? But down here it was. I feel down here it was some kind of support, and I feel it's gonna bounce up here right now. So good luck with your short. You are still in profit right now, so you know. Yeah, this is nice. early this morning. Oh yeah, early this morning. Yeah, it was nice short, man. Yeah, 511 was nice short. So I don't know how much leverage you did on this one, but you know, right now you still, if you did 10x, you are still like 20%. 50, 60, yeah, 50, you are almost like 60% down. You're probably almost 60% if you did 10x. So it's nice. I'm shooting low though, so it's a gamble. Okay, guys, that's it. Kids and my wife is gonna come back soon, so I gotta go. Thanks for being part of the stream, guys. Thanks for all the super chats. There was a lot of beers going on right there. You know, come back tomorrow next time. You know, we're gonna do some more chit chat. You know, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on the way out. Everybody, all the green names, everybody else, Captain and the late adopter, and everybody else who donated. Sean, Echo, Alessio, Christian, Ro, Captain, Bugsy. Was there more super chats up here? Yeah, everybody donated, all the green names, everybody else. Thanks for stopping by. Tomorrow, same time, same place. Everything looks fine until it doesn't, you know. And we're gonna see how we feel tomorrow. We're gonna see. Tomorrow, 9 AM Central European time. You can see here Bitcoin hitting this resistance up here and stopping there. 9 AM Central European time, Bitcoin Daily tomorrow. Bye bye.